Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the scanner error message operations could not be completed with the error code 0x000000015. The device is not ready. So typically occurs when attempting to initiate a scan, resulting in the scanner being unresponsive or the scanning software failing to recognize the device. With the several reasons of these errors are malfunctioning Windows services, outdated or corrupted scanner drivers, and system file corruptions. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to update the driver. Kung paano ba yun natin gawin, all you have to do is to right click on a start menu. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung device manager. So i-click mo lang yan. And once na-open mo na tong device manager, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung other devices or imaging devices, mga kaibigan. So kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung other devices. So i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And next step ay kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung scanner mo. So find your scanner in the list and then kailangan lang i-update. So for example, i-update lang natin tong auto wireless. So select and right click and then itap mo lang dito yung update a driver. And then may dalawang option dito na pwede natin gawin, like search automatically for drivers or browse my computer for drivers. So select ka lang dito sa dalawa. And next step ay kailangan lang itap tong search automatically. So i-click mo lang yan and wait natin. So the best drivers for your device are already installed. So after dito, and the next solution na pwede natin gawin is to ensure relevant services are set to automatic. Kung paano ba yun natin gawin, all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard. Pagsabayin mo lang yan. And once na-open mo na tong run, so dito lang sa box ay kailangan lang i-enter dito yung command keyword na services.msc. So just type this command keyword services.msc. So that is one word and itap mo lang dito yung OK. And once na-open mo na tong services at dito lang sa services local at dito sa right side, and then ang first keyword na kailangan natin i-locate dito ay yung remote procedure call. So, kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down and then kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung Remote Procedure Call or RPC. So, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select yan and then kailangan mo lang mag-double click. And then dito sa kanyang General Properties at dito lang sa Startup Type. So, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Automatic and then dito sa baba, click mo lang Apply and i-click mo lang dito yung OK. And then next keyword na kailangan natin i-locate ay yung DCOM Server Process Launcher. So, scroll up ulit and then kailangan lang i-locate dito yung DCOM Server Process Launcher. So, once na-locate mo na siya and then select and double click. And dito sa General Properties, so dito lang sa Startup Type. So, kailangan nakaselect dito yung Automatic and dito sa baba, click Apply and i-click mo lang dito yung OK. And next keyword ay yung RPC Endpoint Mapper. So, scroll down ulit and then kailangan lang i-locate dito yung RPC Endpoint Mapper. And once na-locate mo na tong RPC Endpoint Mapper, so same procedure, select and double click. At dito lang sa General at dito lang sa kanyang Properties. So dito sa Startup Type, so select Automatic and then click Apply and i-click mo lang dito yung OK. And the last keyword na kailangan natin i-locate dito ay yung Shell Hardware Detections. So kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung Shell Hardware Detections. So select and double click. And dito sa General Properties, so dito lang sa Startup Type, select mo lang dito yung Automatic and then dito sa baba, click Apply and i-click mo lang dito yung OK. Alright, so after dito sa Services and then close mo lang yan at dito lang sa Start Menu and kailangan mo lang mag-restart, i-click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix scanner with the error code 0x000000015 on Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.